So this is for the class 9. I am going to teach you the second chapter of chemistry. The chapter is here, is matter around us pure? So this is the name of the chapter, and in this chapter we will learn about the chemical nature of the matters. So if you see here, the matters are also classified. Classification of matter. The matter are also classified on the basis of the chemical composition. So on the basis of this chemical composition, write a classification of matter on the basis of chemical composition. Chemical composition. So in the first chapters we have learned that the matter have been classified into three different categories, that is solid, liquid and gases, and even one more is there, that is called plasma. So but on the basis of the chemical composition, so it is your chemical composition. Again, the matters, it is classified either in the form of substances and the mixture. So again I will say you, the matters is classified on the basis of chemical composition. So on the basis of this, the matter exists in the two form, that is substances and the mixture. So if you see these substances, then what is substances? Here you will see the substances, these are the matter, the form of the matters where there is the same type of the particles are present here in these substances. In the substance, same particles are present. What is substances? Substances is a form of matter where the same type of the particles are present. Like, if you take example, sugar. Sugar is a substances. So why sugar is a substances? Because in sugar, the particles of the sugar, if you break the particles of the sugar, then you'll get each and every particles of the sugar, their taste is the sweet. Every particles. There is no change in the property of the particles of the sugar. So that is why we can say that the sugar is a substances. But whereas if you see here in the case of the mixture, mixture is also a form of the matter where there is a combination of two or more substances. This is called the mixture. So in the case of the mixture, you will see here there is a combinations. Two or more substances they combine to form the mixture. If you take example, then you can give example like kerosene. Kerosene is a mixture. This kerosene is a mixture of the different types of the hydrocarbons. So that is why kerosene is a type of what? Mixture. Then you can see here, these are the classification of the matters on the basis of the chemical composition. So once again I will repeat this. So on the basis of the chemical composition, the matter exists in the two different forms, that is your substances and the mixture. What is substances? The substances, these are the form of the matters where the same type of the particles are present. Example, sugar, simple example. And if you see the mixture, then mixture is also a form of the matter where the two or more substances they combine here, and then only what is formed here? Mixture is formed. Example, the kerosene. Why I am writing kerosene? Because kerosene, if you see the molecules of the kerosene, different types of the hydrocarbons are present. So these are the classification of the matters. Now we will see here the characteristics, feature of the substances. Now the next topic is your the feature. The characteristic feature of substances. Now, number one feature, if you see here, then you will get here the substance which contains. The substance this substance contains only one kind of atom or the molecule. Only one kind of atom or the molecule is present in the substances. This is one of the feature. Only one kind of atom or molecule is present. Just now I gave you example of the sugar. There is also one kind of the atom or the molecules are present here. So this is one feature. The other feature you will see here, the substances has definite. Substances have a definite. I write MP. MP means a melting point. Definite melting point. Then they also have a definite BP. BP is a boiling point, and also they have a definite density. So another feature is here, the substances, they have definite melting point, boiling point, and the density. So these two is the characteristic feature of the substances. Now we have completed what is substances, and then their feature, examples we have completed. Now let us see about the mixture. What is this mixture again, and their properties. Now, mixture. What is this mixture? I told you that mixture is a form of the matter in which two or more substances are present in any proportion. Again, I will say here, there is a two or more substances are present. So these two or more substances are present in any proportion. So this type of the form of the matter is known as what? The mixtures. And if you see the example of the mixture, then the best example is air. So you know that the air is a mixture of the gases. Different type of the gases is present in the air. You will take here, air is a mixture of gases. This is a mixture of gases. Like the gases like oxygen, in the air oxygen is present. Then carbon dioxide. Then you can write nitrogen, etc. So many different type of the gases, and these are present in a definite proportion. There is a proportion, the amount is there, and that is why this air is called as a mixtures. Okay, see, oxygen is present, carbon dioxide is present, nitrogen is present here. So that's why the air is called as a mixture. Now, if you see again this mixture, then the mixture, there are the two different type of the mixture is present. That is types of the mixture. Now, one is your homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, and another is your heterogeneous mixture. These are the type of the mixtures. One is your homogeneous and it is your heterogeneous. Let us see what is this homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means here mixture which is perfectly uniform in its composition. So in the composition there is a uniform, same. Uniform means same. Uniform composition you will see here. Composition. Uniform composition you will see. Homogeneous mixtures, if you take example of the homogeneous mixture, then you will see here the kerosene. Kerosene is a type of homogeneous mixture. Number one. Then you will see a mixture of the salt and the water. Salt and water. Salt and water. So this in this kerosene and the salt and the water, you will see the composition of the substances, composition of the particles and the substances and the molecules will be uniform and the same here. That's why this type of the mixture is known as a homogeneous mixture. But whereas you will see here in the heterogeneous mixture, this is also a type of the mixture in which different composition, here uniform, but here the composition is different. Different composition. Different composition with a different proportion. With different proportion of the substances are found here. So composition is also different and the proportion is also different here. This type of the mixture is known as a heterogeneous mixture. Now if we take an example, the mixture of the oil and water. Oil and water. If you mix oil and the water, then there is the two different substances present out here, and the composition of these substances, they are also different, and the proportion is also different. That is why the mixture of the oil and the water is a heterogeneous mixture. So this is about the two different types of the mixtures. So now today for chemistry, this much only. Okay.